Welcome to Tech Tips Sonu. In this video, I'll show you how to repair the IMEI on a Redmi 14C Lite, step by step. Step 1. First, connect your phone and check the model details to make sure everything's correct. Quick tip. Always use the original IMEI from your device or box, don't use random numbers. Step 3. Go to the DFT tab and select your correct model from the list. Right finger step 4. Click Repair. When it asks to back up NV data, just click Yes. That's it, IMEI repair is done. You can now check the IMEI and confirm it's working. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech tips. See you in the next video.